How are you friends? كيف حالكم أصدقائي؟ إن شاء الله تكونوا بخير. I hope you are well. Today we are going to have هجاء letter or alphabet in Arabic. نسميها الحروف الهجائية في اللغة العربية، أو بنسميها الحروف الأبجدية العربية. The first letter of the Arabic language is called alif, and is pronounced in the word as a, like ananas, pineapple in English, and in Arabic called ananas. تاني حرف عندنا وهو حرف الباء. The second letter is called باء and is pronounced as ba. For example, house in Arabic is called بيت. بيت. Letter number 3 is called تاء and is pronounced in the letter is تاء like تفاحة means apple. تفاحة. Letter number 4 is ثاء is pronounced as ثاء like ثلج mean ice. ثلج. For example, ice in Arabic is called ثلج. ثلج. Second letter is called جيم. For example, carrot in Arabic called جزر. حرف الحاء letter is called حاء like bag in Arabic is called حقيبة. حقيبة. The second letter is called خاء like bread in Arabic is called خبز. خبز. The following letter is called دال like bicycle in Arabic is called دراجة or دراجة. Now we can stop here. You can revision these letters. I hope you are understand. والآن أتوقف عند هذا القدر من الشرح، وأتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتوا. باي باي. I was نجوى إبراهيم with you. أنا اسمي نجوى إبراهيم، كنت معكم، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أصدقائي.